What's up, Makaveli happy.
So we are interacting with different graduates.
Yeah.
Wanna hear their reaction. So let's go.
When is today? The date is, let me check. Date 15. It's a special day for the graduates in Lunkenya University, manzi. Acha tusikie watatuambia aje leo.
Acha tu nipige na simu tu bro, niende home.
Niaje ni wadau.
Makaveli hadi.
Inakuaje?
Poa.
Na cheki ni graduation yenu, rada gani?
Sisi tunasikia furaha mazee.
Nasikia fiti.
Imekuwa long journey.
Ngore, si mnaweza introduce hapo hivyo kwanza before tuendelee.
Mimi naitwa Kevin Onana.
Onana.
Kipa wa Manchester.
Kama ka.
Na mimi naitwa Boaz Thomas.
Inakuaje buda, si chapie rada gani?
Mimi niko fiti. Mazee imekuwa long journey.
Sana.
A lot of struggles, but finally I've married. Mazee kutoka Mtito hadi hapa ni dust mazee.
No, wewe ni struggle moja unaweza sema.
Azin?
Ni struggle moja yenye unasema imekuwa kwa hiyo shape.
Mazee hiyo ni moja. Nyingine hapa hivi chakula food hapo unapata.
So unasema huko nje utakuwa unapata chakula unadai.
Of course, juu saa nimequalify nini.
Na cheki hapa mambo mingi.
Yeah.
Ni kitu gani like unaweza ambia wasee? Umejifunza na hicho azina kwenda campus.
Mazee mimi nikiongelea mambo ya campus, Lunkenya ni one of the best.
One of the best.
Though ni private. But ukiangalia fee yao iko chini, iko available kwa kila msee. Ni affordable. That is what I mean. So wenye wako nje hivi naweza advise wakamche Lunkenya University is the best by the way.
Kwa advice wasa waja join vitu gani hapa ndio wakoe hapa bana.
Wenye join naweza washow hivi. Mazee
wenye pia kwa high school nini?
Watie bidii. Hata upate grade gani, Lunkenya wana offer everything.
Hebu wadanganye vitu ulikuwa unadanganya ziko campus. Wadanganye zile vitu ulikuwa unaambia
kibao.
Na mmedanganywa wase tumemwambia wadanganye. Boaz uko na kitu kusema hapa hivi before tumalizie.
Kitu ninafaa kusema. Sasa nime graduate but bado naendelea. So sijamaliza bado sijamalo niko naendelea tu na masomo.
Unaendelea umevaa nini buda?
Cheki hizi sasa nime graduate certificate.
So naendelea
na diploma.
Kweli.
Sasa nangoja by next week Monday. Natarajia kungojea kat 2. Yes, early in the morning.
Ndio tuseme sasa uko happy ama uko happy sasa wewe happy alafu na majambo.
Sasa unaona niko hapo tu, niko hapo katikati.
Uko hapo katikati?
Niko hapo katikati.
Lakini una feel umewin kitu hapo.
Nimewin kitu, wallahi hata nimewin kitu.
Congrats manze.
Shukrani.
Boaz naonana. Yeah man. Acha tusikie wengine wanasemaje. Okay, let's interact. Lecturer mmoja wa Lunkenya. Hello sir.
Hello sir.
Mambo poa.
Okay, my name is Bernard Kiviat.
Yes.
I think I know you.
Yeah, we know you too.
And I know this young man.
Yeah, sure.
I'm in School of Agriculture. Technical Studies in Natural Sciences.
Yeah, sure.
And I teach agricultural units, university common units, and down some research. Yeah.
You're a researcher. Like, which achievement have you made so far in research in this school?
Right now we are doing research on acacia species.
Yeah.
We are involved in research with IRRI. It is the National Research, the International Livestock Research Institute, Makueni, Kajiado, Baringo, and Mamandera.
Why did you major on acacia?
Well, acacia is a very interesting tree because it grows on dryland areas.
Yeah.
And 80% of Kenya is dry. In fact, 89% of Kenya is dry. And that's where we have 90%, over 80% of the Kenyan population. And over 3/4 of Kenya's pastoralism, cattle, goats and sheep are in the pastoral areas, those dry areas. And which tree survives there? The acacia species. And you find that sometime when it's very dry, it's only the acacia trees which provide feed for the livestock. Like for acacia totalis, when it is very dry, it will be shedding the leaves, the flowers, and sometimes the pods. And the pods maintain survival of the sheep and goat when no any other plant is green. So you can see they're very important. Of course, we have other plants like Balanitis aegyptica, Acacia nilotica, Acacia mellifera, Acacia saya, and Acacia, several of the others. But Acacia totalis and Acacia mellifera are very, very important. And that's why we want to find out what is the status of this arid acacia trees. Are they declining? Are they increasing? Are they constant? If they are declining, what is the impact? To me, in the future, the pastoralists, cattle will suffer. So what can we do to mitigate? Maybe to plant more. Are we going to have nurseries? Yeah. What approach are we going to? That's why we are measuring on acacias in rural areas as a fodder livelihood for people. Yeah.
Are you doing the researches independently, or do you have any other?
We have, of course, we are doing it together with the IRRI.
Yeah.
And of course, I'm with the student Mark Hussein, and the principal researcher is Professor Ibrahim Agi.
Yeah,
he's our boss, so he's our leader. He's guiding us. Me, I'm the researcher, the operative, the infantry battalion in the field there, the front line. But our principal investigator is Professor Ibrahim. He's guiding us on what to do, because of course, Professor Ibrahim is an internationally renowned livestock feed specialist from Aberdeen University, UK.
Yeah.
We are lucky to have him.
Are you facing any challenge in your researches? Which challenges are you facing there?
Challenges will ever be there, even when you are doing, even eating. There's nothing on earth that does not have any challenge. But I must say, I don't face much challenge.
Yeah.
Makweli, there was no challenge. Baringo people are very okay. But Kenya, they are very sensitive to land.
Sure.
So imagine somebody sees you in his or her land and you have not asked permission to be there. Hey, you come here. What are you doing in my farm? We are doing research. Do you have permission? Yes, from the government, from the university, from the chief. Why can't you go and do research on the chief farm, come up with permission? These are the challenges. Yeah. But then you have to know how to overcome.
Yeah.
Use the local people, Nyumbakumi, the sub chief, you work with them wherever you go, so that they make introductions on your behalf. Then you give the detail. Otherwise, everywhere, land sensitivity, hata ukiona mtu kwa shamba yenu utamuuliza, hey, daddy kuna mtu pale ana GPS, shamba imeuzwa hii. You know what I'm talking about?
What are the, like, hizo interviews, hizo researches mnafanya zina aim nini? What are they aiming?
Of course, we are able to know the status, the distribution, and even we do the mapping. Then from there we give the recommendations of what should be done to restore the acacias if they are diminished, or to maintain the status. So that eventually we can have supported livelihoods for pastoralist communities in Kenya.
Yeah.
Of course, the Masai, the Samburu, the Kamba, the Somali, the Tugen, the Kalenjin, Yeah.
What could you say to the class graduating right now from Lunkenya University?
Well, we are happy that they have made us proud. I'm happy that the best overall student was from agriculture, Hussein.
Oh, congratulations to him.
My student, from diploma to degree was my student, and they have done as well.
Yeah.
But the challenge is that they have just started the safari, the journey.
What can you tell the people graduating right now about life outside there?
Life outside there is challenging. But for somebody who knows how to take with brains and with the power to read and write, there's no problem. There will be challenges in anything you do. Even in marriage, there will be challenges. Even in church, even when driving a Mercedes, there will still be challenges, right? But it's you now to use your mind, and they were given the power to read and write.
Yeah.
Now it's not use that power to mitigate those challenges. You know Martin Luther King, what he said?
Tell us, Doctor.
Martin Luther King said, only when it is dark can you see the stars. And that was supported by Wangari Maathai when he said, when you destroy nature, nature will destroy you.
Yeah, sure.
And we are suffering now climate change because of what?
Because of
humanity's destruction of nature. That's why we have floods, droughts, heat waves. And go to Argentina, rivers are dry. Go to Argentina. The other day, frogs died in Argentina.
Frogs?
What happened? There were no frogs and salamanders to eat the larvae and eggs of mosquitoes. So what happened? Everybody was sick in Argentina. Everybody, from the child to the... So it was an emergency. The president had to declare a state of emergency. That malaria is a real problem in Argentina. And what was the issue? Frogs and salamanders died. Why did they die? Human activities, which caused diseases, which led to the death of the frogs. So you see, we are interlinked.
Yeah.
And that's why we talk of deep ecology. That even that frog, that snake, that rabbit, this tree, that soil, those bacteria in the soil, we are interlinked. You destroy them, you destroy the ecosystem, you destroy the chain. It's like a car. If the gearbox is not working, what happens? If the gurubi is not working, see?
The whole thing is not working.
Yeah, so it's a chain. And in biology, we call it food chain. You destroy one part, then everything suffers. So I think we should, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time, doctor. We appreciate you.
Very good questions.
Okay, thank you.